Welcome to Gurus CSI. We are a team of expert technicians that investigates warranty claims. We handle everything from brake pads to spark plugs, determining whether claims are valid.
Today's video is about brake pads, which the customer says are making a lot of noise when the brake pedal is applied. In particular, the customer has noticed a grinding noise. If we look closely at the pads, we can see that there are grinding marks on the back plate. The visible grinding marks on the brake pads indicate that they were not moving freely in the brake saddle, causing the brake pad to be damaged and the friction generating the noise the customer has heard.
Guru Tips are expert tips on how to avoid these issues. Before installing the new brake pads, always inspect the caliper for wear and clean it thoroughly. This ensures that the new parts will not be contaminated by any existing dirt and that the braking performance is optimized.
Ensure you use brake cleaner to remove dirt and help keep parts moving as they should. Ensure that the brake pad can move freely in the caliper and that the pistons are also moving smoothly. This will stop the problem from reoccurring through the pads, not making even contact with the disc. To avoid damaging the caliper, always use the correct retracting tool. We have determined that incorrect fitting and inspection of components has caused the brake pads to not moving freely. Therefore, the warranty claim is invalid.
Make sure you come back to Garage Gurus CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.